Plus. In this Sports Debate Show, we welcome your thoughts. Say what you gotta say, so speak your mind freely. I'm your host for tonight, Kyla Cortez, and joining me are Renner Nitualo and Willie Miller. How are you guys?
Good
Happy Wednesday?
Oo, good evening kay Coach.
Good evening. Medyo evening lang kay Coach Renren. Baliktad naman
Nasa
yan. Medyo maganda yung maganda yung
araw ni Coach Willie.
Maganda
araw
yung
natin ngayon.
araw, eh.
Yeah.
Anyway, sports fans, if you're ready to elevate your sports experience, dive into the world of live sports like never before with Sports Plus. Whether you're a diehard fan or simply love the thrill of the game, we've got you covered. So register now at sportsplus.ph. Now leading you guys with our hot takes for tonight. Unang-una, syempre, ang PBA Finals pick natin. Pangalawa naman, bakit napaka-humble ni Joker? We will discuss more about that. And of course, LA Tenorio and Gabe Norwood combo for Gilas Youth. And of course, our FCN expert picks. So, simulan na natin ang una nating hot take, PBA Finals pick. So this Friday, March 14 at 7:30 p.m. at SMO Arena, tama ba?
Yes.
Siyempre, maglalaban ang TNT at Ginebra.
Yeah.
Yan, Doc and Tex, Ginebra nga ako. Pag tinanong mo ako dyan, it's really tough to beat Ginebra. Because of the six-man, and of course, look at those assist numbers, 25 to 19. Pag tinignan mo rin yung stats ng mga players, very well distributed yung scoring nila. I think 4 or 5 players averaging to double figures. And of course, sa Talking Tex, alam natin, high octane, they play high octane game. Oftana will play big, Pugoy of course. And of course, yung import nila, si Jefferson.
Yeah, same thing here, no? And syempre addition din nung pagkakawala ni Jason Castro.
Yan, mabigat.
Yun yung pinaka ko. So ilang points rin tong medyo
Leadership, bro.
mawawala sa Talk and Text and yung leadership. Especially when it comes to fourth quarter.
Yan.
Si Jason Castro is nandoon sa loob to handle yung pressure, handle the pressure, and to yung put his team together.
Yan, laking bagay yan.
Laking bagay ito yung pagiging leader doon sa loob. No? Although alam naman natin, marami naman mag-step up. Pero alam mo yung
Iba yung may
wrong timing.
magdidesisyon. Oo.
Yung wrong timing.
Tsaka yung magdidesisyon sa loob.
Magdidesisyon sa loob. Ito, when you need to score, you just go to Jason. Kahit sabihin natin, sabi matanda na. Naku, wala matanda kay Jason.
Tsaka playoffs na yan eh.
Playoffs iba to,
Oo,
no?
eh.
First. And second, yung Ginebra is hindi basta-bastang team din.
Yep.
We all know dito sa stats, no? So sila pa rin yung lamang when it comes to points, 102.5 against 90, almost 99. Diyan pa lang tapos na yung And yung 99 na yan, andyan dyan pa si Jason Castro.
Oo. Pero
No.
sabi nila sa Ginebra, may sakit daw si Brownlee the other day. I'm not sure. Parang yun ang sinasabi nila to start the...
Yan ang nakakatakot. Medyo
may sakit. Baka mamaya.
Medyo. Tapos pagdating ng bigla kang 30 points. Di ba? Mga si Coach Tim, rin to eh. Nanliligaw din to minsan eh.
Okay, pero sige, himay-himayin natin. Benefit of the doubt, sabihin
Okay.
natin kaya ng TNT. Ano nga ba ang advantages at disadvantages of TNT? And then after that, share nyo naman yung sa Ginebra.
Well, they have to play fast. Like, that's their strength. They want to, like, fast break points, they're +2. And of course, syempre, yung Jefferson, walang kapaguran yun.
Grabe.
That's the heart and soul now because, like you said, Coach, wala si Jason Williams.
Jason Castro.
Jason Williams is international.
William.
Jason Castro, wala siya because like Coach Willie said, the veteran smarts, yung timing ng laro, the control of the tempo. Malaking bagay yon na nawawala siya. And of course, syempre, given yan na si Oftana and Pogoy will step up to the plate. But like you said, the veteran smarts of Jason Castro is talagang lacking doon. But andyan naman sila Stingray to step up. So one man down, but there's a lot of players na maaasahan ni Coach Chot.
Yeah, but it's still it's going to be a good series.
Yan.
Ang parating lamang ni Coach Tim, ang sinasabi nito parate. So, pag sa series is mas malaking percentage nila to win.
Mahirap sila bantayan eh. Ang daming gumagawa
Kasi
eh.
dami. Ito nga yung sinabi mo kanina, balance yung scoring nila. When there's assist, it's the triangle system.
Yes.
No, so they're sharing the ball, they're moving like as a whole unit. So yun yung mahirap talunin pag sa team. Kung sino yung mainit, yun yung
Yes. Oo, they recognize it. Eh, no?
recognize. So automatic to, pupunta nila, then you will create or you'll take a shot for yourself. So yun yung no? Ang kailangan ng Talk and Text is limit mo yung triangle is you have to pressure and you have to run.
Totoo yan.
So if you can run the whole game, much better for you. So ito yung kayo magdidictate ng tempo ng laro.
Pero, let's just say na during this cup, is it a surprise na TNT ang nakatapatan ng Ginebra o hindi naman?
Oh, sweet. Same.
No.
So, pareho lang naman kasi. We all know, Talk and Text at saka Rain or Shine, they're both capable.
Totoo yan.
And para naman sa akin, kaya rin ng Rain or Shine, pero dahil medyo bata pa,
Kahit Northport. Kahit Northport, bata pa rin
Oo,
sila.
no?
Yeah.
So, medyo bata pa. So, ang nagdala sa Talk and Text to win that is yung experience.
Experience nila. Everybody went to the finals already. They won the championship. So that's why tingin ko yung experience na yun catapult them to
To the finals. Yeah, totoo yun. So, hindi naman surprising. So, talaga mas malaki yung chance nila. Pero we all know, walang mas malaking chance when you're playing against Coach Coach Yang's team. Grabe yan.
Oo nga. Pati yung Ginebra, Northport, parang I think that's what, 4-1? Because I think game 4 or game 3, I think, nanalo ang Northport. They played extremely well. Diba?
So yun ang kailangan mo, just to beat Ginebra.
Yeah.
Just to beat yung super experienced team.
Oo.
So kailangan, ito yung sinasabi ni Coach Sim, kailangan you have to play your A game parati.
Exactly.
Pag hindi ka mananalo sa mga top teams.
Totoo yan.
So yun yung ano.
I see, okay. Pero himay-himayin natin with RHJ, pagkatapatan si Brownlee.
0-0, sabi mo 0-0 yan.
Dapat 0-0.
0-0 yan. No? Okay? 0-0 yan, RHJ ng Brownlee. Sino pa? Sino pa pwede magkatapatan? Oftana.
Oftana, Pogoy.
Ng
I think
bata.
Oftana is 18 points per ball game. Pogoy is almost 25, 24.3 to be exact.
Sinong pwedeng ano? Si Scotty Thompson.
Oh, Scotty Thompson is averaging 11.8.
Oh, lagay natin.
Malayo,
Dalawa.
medyo malayo,
11. Sino pa? Dalawa na sa kanya.
Oh.
11 at saka si
Troy.
Si Troy.
Oo, yan. Pwede mo na
dalawa.
isama yan
Okay.
doon.
Yung-
Pero yung Japet Aguilar and Abarientos,
Japet-
13.
Yun naman, 13 each.
Oo.
So yun naman na mahirap kasi balance eh.
Balance, sobrang balance.
Balance. So hahatiin mo naman yung score ng ibang maliit para to get even dun sa Ginebra naman.
Tsaka mabigat dito, yung 11 points si Scotty Thompson, I'm 100% sure wala yan play.
Wala, yan nga eh.
Di ba?
So hustle to, offensive
Oo,
rebound
eh.
to, fast break to.
You don't have to run
oo.
plays, di ba? Parang those
Hindi
12 points.
nagra-run ng play si Coach Tim kay Scotty.
Exactly. So
Scotty
yun yung mabigat.
will do his thing.
Yun yung
Ang
mabigat.
meron is si kay Japet, pang jump shot, pang back pick, pang dunk.
Si RJ, syempre,
Si-
is
oo.
handling the ball.
So siya yung parang si Johnny na
Yes.
nag-pick and roll. Bahala ka sa buhay mo, you can create. Pero itong si Scotty, ang paano mababandayan yan?
Oo, paano mo
Pag
mabanda?
tumira yung kakampi, kailangan dalawa pinapabox out mo. No? So yun yung ano.
Pag dalawa nasa kanya, paano si Japet?
Yan nga, si
Di ba?
Japet naman. No? So yun yung ano, medyo maganda to, medyo balance eh. Mas maraming high scoring players sa Talk and Text, balance scoring naman sa
Yes.
sa
Ginebra.
Ginebra. Pero ang ano is missing link ngayon is yung scoring factor and leadership ni Jason Castro sa Talk and Text.
Okay, to wrap up this conversation, no, himayin din natin pagdating sa quarter. Sa tingin nyo, between TNT and Ginebra, no, per quarter, sino ang mag-lead?
Uy!
Predictions.
I
If both of
think-
you are going with Ginebra.
I think TNT will start strong.
Parate. And
Yeah.
slow starter parate
Oo.
ang Ginebra,
I
coach team eh.
Yeah, TNT will
So
start
they're always getting their flow. Pero we
Yeah.
can say na hindi sila good starter. Pag ito, they can get their flow early.
Patay.
Dire-diretso na
Tuloy.
to.
Oo.
Tuloy-tuloy na to. No? So, pero well, no. Kasi fast-paced game parati yung Talk and Text.
Yes.
They will get their runs parati. No.
All right. So any last thoughts before we move on to our second hot?
No, please watch. Please watch. No. Support PBA. Magandang laban to.
Yes.
Magandang laban to. Dapat medyo matagal pa nga eh. Gusto ko sana pagurin nyo itong dalawa eh.
Tagal-tagal
Yung game
pa,
9.
laro pa.
Pabutin nyo sa game 9 para pagdating next conference, pagod na pagkalaban namin.
Kailan ba yung next conference?
Hindi nga, matagal pa.
Matagal
Parang
pa eh.
Tagal pa yan,
Wala,
ah.
kahit,
6 weeks pa.
kahit mapagod.
5
may
weeks pa yata.
pahinga na.
Oh. 5 weeks pa.
Okay, now moving on to our second hot take though. From local to international, pag-usapan naman natin ang NBA. So our second hot take, bakit napaka-humble ni Joker? So just context guys, Jokic, after 30 minutes after making NBA history, he sat in front of his locker and scrolling through his phone. Ano nga bang ginawa niya? NBA's first 30-20-20 triple-double in the Denver Nuggets victory against the Suns, and for him, he didn't do anything special. For him, ginawa niya lang trabaho niya. Pero ano nga ba talaga ang kwento ni Jokic?
Parang ako lang yan, napaka-humble.
Napaka-hambog! Napaka-hambog! Baka ganun-ganun pa, pag nakashoot ka, no? Ding! Napakayaman yan, busang ilaw. No? Hindi, pero ang pagiging humble siguro ni Jokic kasi automatic lang sa kanya yan. So,
I think
it's
he's doing
given
his job.
already. No, he's just doing his job. Ito lang, it just so happen na mataas yung rebound, mas mataas yung assist. Pero double-double parati to.
Yes,
And
actually triple-double.
Almost triple-double parati
Average,
to.
oo.
Almost triple-double to. No, so he's just doing his job. Eh, what can you expect? This is a passing big man. Na ando dun parati sa around the rim lang. Na automatic may rebound ka na. And yung mga tip-ins kasi counts as one rebound na.
Totoo yan.
And hindi basta yung height nito, 6'11 to ha. Tama? 6'11 to?
Tsaka deadly siya eh.
Deadly to.
He can score.
Mac.
Yes, 6'11".
6'11. Ang tawag ko dyan, sabi ko dyan kay Mac Jones, si Cardona.
Oh.
Parang sila tumira dito sa likod. Dito sa likod, ganun tumira. Pero shooter.
Shooter, sure ball.
Sure ball, di ba?
I think it comes out naturally for him because when he plays, parang pag makikita mo siya, it's lahat flow eh. He doesn't force anything. Lahat, he gets everybody involved. He'll make that pass. Sabi nga ni Coach Willie, pass first big man. And then, if he miss the if his teammate missed the shot, he's gonna get that board and then follow it up. So, what he was doing is so basic for him. Because he's just gonna get that basketball, look for that open man. Pag wala, he's the one
Diyan siya
shooting.
titira, yeah.
Diba?
So, wala siyang forcing parate. And he
Oo.
knows the clock parate.
Yes.
Yun ang ano niya. So,
He's really smart.
he's super high IQ player.
Pero hindi natin nasagot yung napaka-humble. Bakit napaka-humble? I think because of his family. The priorities sa personal life niya. Maybe talagang separate ang NBA sa personal na buhay niya. Parang ang priority niya is family in Serbia. Diba? Parang, di ba last time, they won the championship, he wants to go home right away. So parang,
Spend time with his family,
feeling ko, it
Yung pag,
contributes.
yung pagpapalaki sa kanya ng magulang niya.
Parang pantay-pantay lang tayo dito sa Serbia. Walang superstar dito. Diba? So, I think that's a big factor. That's why his attitude
Humble.
is
Isa rin
presented.
siguro kaya ano to, parati lang naka-smile. No, masayahin to kasi si Joker siya. No?
Masayahin.
Hindi
Siguro-
mayabang, hindi mayabang.
Hindi pinagbabawalan uminom ng beer eh.
Ayun nga eh. Okay lang, ganyan yung katabi mo, okay lang.
Diba?
Okay
Diba?
lang.
Okay lang. Dahil hindi mo naman kailangan tumalon eh.
Diba?
Diba? Di ba parang si Luka naman, di ba?
Hindi,
Baka-
hindi naagawan ng beer ba?
Ayun nga, baka hindi beer ang gusto nito, gin eh. Gin ang gusto nito.
Okay, if for Jokic, simpleng bagay lang ang triple-double na. But what makes triple-double so special sa ibang players?
Oh, it's so hard to attain. I think I've played like what, 15, 20 years? Never ako nagka-double-double eh. Diba? Parang, it's so hard.
Paano? Gusto ko lang tumira. Gusto mo lang tumira. Nag-aambang ka na sa 3 points, paano kung makakaribaw?
Exactly. But him, he's at 6'11". Siguro pag 6'11 ako, bro, kaya ko yan.
No,
Pero he's
ganyan kalaki
different.
kasi you're gonna be inside, it's automatic.
Oh, automatic. Dapat double-double ka. But those assists, yun yung pinakamabigat doon. And the way he plays the game, ibang-iba kasi, sabi ko nga, pag pinanood mo siya, parang, 30 na siya. 10 rebounds na siya.
Ganun lang,
May 8 assists na siya. Parang,
And what I feel naman when it comes to assist, yung assist kahit gano'ng kaganda ka umassist, pag hindi na-shoot yung
yan. Teammates
Bali,
na
wala
yan.
rin.
Oo. Magaling din yung teammates
magaling
niya.
rin yung teammates mo. So, automatic rin doon na nakaka-shoot din. no?
Yes.
And yung, what makes yung triple-double special, like what you asked, I think winning after after getting that stats.
Yun,
Yun ang
oh.
pinakamasarap.
Tama. Totoo yan.
Kasi you can get that, pero kung hindi na nanalo yung team mo, wala rin.
There's no
no?
point.
Tsaka talagang hindi niya pinapad eh.
Hindi niya binabad.
Oo, hindi.
So he plays hard.
Oo, talagang ganun talaga.
Yun yung iba.
Hindi
Yung
niya
iba kasi
hinahabol.
nakita natin.
Hinahabol
Diba?
eh.
Kailangan siya lang yung rebound, lahat ng kakampi niya babaksak.
Oo, di ba?
Tapos, ang pasa kailangan to shoot ka. Pag hindi na shoot, nagagalit pa
Oo,
sa yung
diba?
kakampi, yung pumasa.
Oo.
Kasi they're just stat padding.
Oo.
No, tapos yung iba pag naka-score na, sige, ano na yung kulang? Yan.
So,
Nangyari
wala-
sa akin sa PBA, sinasabi sa akin ng mga huy, isang rebound ka na lang, isang assist ka na lang sa sa triple-double. Lalo ko napapasama.
Oh, di ba?
Kasi,
Isipin mo eh.
Isipin mo, yung sasabihin sa'yo, isa o dalawa na masaya ka lang na naglalaro. Ibig sabihin kasi pag gano'n ako, maganda yung laro ng team namin.
Tama.
No, hindi lang ako, nakaka-score ako, nakaka-rebound ako, nakaka-assist.
Buti.
Oo.
Buti ako yung sinabi sa akin, Oren, isa na lang. Matatay mo na yung record. O sige, isa na lang. Titira talaga
Titira ka
ako sa
talaga
poop.
marami. Ganun nga eh. Diba? Para to get it eh. Lalo ka makapasama. But I'm not saying na pangit yung sinasabi ng mga kaibigan natin. Pero ito yung nakakatulong rin sa play.
Tama.
Pero syempre, kung makaka-cloud yung decision making mo just because of the stats,
Pipilitin mo lang.
pipilitin mo. Although parati pag sa akin yun, tapos na yung laro, tambak na ka lang.
Oo, di ba?
Pero magpipilit ka pa rin parang, hindi na. Sasabihin ko, hindi na.
Oo, tapos na eh.
Kasi ako, pag tapos na yung laro,
Tapos
magpapasab
na.
na ako.
Oo, tapos na.
Para to give way with other players.
Siyempre.
No? So ito, siya ganun din siya. So ganun yan. So pag tapos na, papalakpak na yan, iuupo na ng coach yan. Kahit ano yung, kahit ano yung stats niya.
Yeah.
Pero pagkakailangan mo,
Nandun siya.
Mr. Isa parang 2015 nga to, automatic eh.
I think he's gonna beat that record right there.
Tatlo lang, wala yan. Ako, Diyos ko eh.
I think that's...
Isa na lang. Eh ano to? May 10 taon pa to.
Oh, 10 taon pa to the way he's playing.
And yung ganyan, habang tumatanda ka, lalo kang gumagaling kasi nasa loob ka lang parati.
Exactly.
Hindi ka na lumalabas.
Iuutakan na
No, so
iuutakan na.
pautakan na lang doon. So 25, 20, and 15 assist. Wala yan. Napaka-easy the joking yan. Joke only.
As basketball players, no, like for you guys, PBA, ito naman sa NBA, syempre mas malaki ang audience, mas malaki yung impact. So it's important to know who that player is off the court. But among all the players, good players, ano nga ba, what makes him Jokic stand out?
Oh, leader. Leader to. Fighter to and leader to. He always bring his team together. Pag nagkakagulo-gulo, siya yung nagkocontrol. Parang point guard sa loob yan.
Yan, I
Parang
think.
point guard sa loob yan. Yun yung maganda. So, he's getting his... Kahit yung mga point guard niya, kinakausap niya pag nagkakagulo.
I saw this documentary nung Olympics, syempre highlighted by the USA team. Tapos meron doon clips from Serbia. He's the one like, after ng halftime, he's the one drawing something on the board or they're going here, we have to block this, I'm open here. He's the one doing that because I think meron siyang vision na he can see kung ano yung ginagawa ng kalaban and ano yung ka-counter nila doon.
Yun yung
He's
IQ
like
nito.
that, yeah.
High IQ player to. No? So, yun yung ano. That's being one of the leaders. Parang coach's extension kasi.
Ayan.
And
Laking
he-
bagay niya, ha?
And he always talks to the coach.
Oo, laking
So
bagay
nagkaganunan
yun.
sila ng coach. Hindi arguing to ha. So nag-give and take sila parate. So yan yung ano, parang kang may extension ng
He's doing
Ang coach.
beyond yung
Yeah.
responsibility niya.
Dapat sa gwardiya to. Number one siya. As being center also, dalawa na extension ng coach.
Totoo yan.
Ng coach, yun yung maganda.
Alright, it's time to move on to our third hot take. Local naman, no, guys? But of course, Gilas Youth. LA Tenorio and Gabe Norwood tandem for Gilas Youth. What's it gonna be like?
Well, I'm so excited for both of them. Both of them are leaders. LA, of course, staple na national team player. Of course, Gabe also. Makita ko si Gabe, naging teammate ko yun sa national team. Very, very big yung contribute nila dito sa program na to. Yeah, because they're there before. They know connections. They know where to go. They know where to start. They know how to win. That's the most important thing. And they know how to build a team.
Yup, totoo. And we all know, si Gabe at saka si LA, ito yung mga sinasabi natin extension ng coach sa loob, mga
Ayan,
leaders to.
totoo yan.
Mga leaders to. So, when you're gonna form a team, yung coach mo mismo is leaders and knows how to handle a team. So magiging maganda yung program mo, magiging maganda yung team mo, and magiging maganda yung program mo, especially sa Gilas Youth natin. No? So may English ka, may English speaking ka. Si L.A. Tenorio. Si L.A. Tenorio yung sinasabi ko. Hindi si Gabe. No? Hindi si Gabe. So, si L.A. Accelerate.
Okay.
Ito, no? So, yan yung sinasabi natin. Both do ngayon, magiging maganda para sa atin.
And for LA Tenorio, no, sabi niya nga na si Gabe Norwood daw, meron siyang unique ability to be in touch or to relate with the youth players.
Totoo yan.
Why is that so important?
Oh, siyempre. Ang pinaka is yung coaches-players relationship.
Yan.
So yun yung pinaka-crucial, especially sa youth program natin. Hindi pwedeng tough ka lang. You have to love the kids.
Yeah, maybe because Gabe has like 3 sons and he can relate to them very clearly. Alam niya yung gusto niya, alam niya yung ayaw niya, and he knows how to address kung ano yung dapat gawin. I mean, that's the factor right there because it's tough to teach kids nowadays because Coach Will and I are high school coaches.
Oh, puro koto ang naano sa akin yan. Puro putos ang sinasabi.
It's really tough because you're gonna say something and then they're gonna do something else. Sometimes you're gonna impart knowledge, your experience. They're gonna listen, but after an hour, they'll be in their
Wala.
gadgets. Wala na. It will spill. So the relationship, the continuity, it's going to be a big part yung mga ganung bagay because kailangan mo talagang i-guide yung mga bata.
And ang isa pa when it comes to Gabe Norwood, we all know na super soft-spoken. Lamig nito magsalita. Always with a clear head. No, so hindi to.
Ako din naman,
Hindi to. Technical ka na naman! Mukha mo! Technical ka na naman! Umakalikot ko. Si Red Red, umakakal. Si commissioner ng ano. Sobra-sobra umakakal ni Red Red. Soft-spoken ka, hanep ka. Then si Gabe kasi, nung bibira nga yata ma-technical to. Hindi na yata si Gabe.
Hindi. Di ba sportsmanship?
Oo.
Ano yan? I think LA also won. I'm not sure. Pero Gabe, 100% sure ako na he won.
Sobra to.
Sportsmanship.
So, and being with a kid like that, when may ganyang coach guys, hindi mo na kailangan ng ng mga matatanda pa.
Yeah.
Ito na mismo yung mag-handle ng situation at that time. And pareho tong Gilas Youth.
Yes.
And puro Gilas player tong mga to.
Yes. Veterans yan.
Diba? So, vets to.
Yes.
So, yun yung pinakamasarap. Nakay-Gabe pa lang tayo, wala pa si pambansang reverse natin.
Oh, yan.
Si L.A. Tenorio.
L.A. Tenorio.
And ito, leader din to.
Yep.
So, saan ka papupunta kundi sa mga leaders ng team natin?
Now, I'm curious, no, since na-mention nga ni Coach Aaron na parehas kayo nagko-coach ng mga teenagers. Ano bang klaseng coach kayo? Tough love or anong klaseng coach? Pwede bang pa-share naman?
Well, my personality kasi, I'm loud, I'm very transparent. It's just black and white for me. It's yes or no. Do it or don't do it. If you can or you can't. It's like that. I'm very straightforward. So sometimes maybe the way I address things, it's different from other coaches. Because me, I treat my players as adults, young adults. Because they're like what? 18 years
You're
old.
training.
Wala na yun, college na to. Sinasabi ko nga sa kanila, hoy, hindi na kayo bata mga kamote, ha? Sabi ko, makakabuntis na kayo, May ganyan, may anak na
Ayun lang.
May pamilya na
Ayun.
So, ibig sabihin, kaya na mag-decide sa sarili nila.
Yes. Oo.
So, hindi porket gagamitin yung excuse, high school kayo.
Oo.
17 kami dati, 16, 17, college na kami.
Oh, college na tayo.
So, huwag niyong excuse yung sarili niyo na bata. Pagkukutusan
Si Kirby nga, nag-pro na ng gano'n, 19,
Diba?
18.
Diba? So yun yung minsan ginagawang excuse Baka sa mga naririnig, ay, bata pa mga kamote. Hindi na kayo bata.
Exactly.
May 13 years old, nagtatrabaho na, nag-ano na ng pamilya.
Tama.
We don't treat them as kids.
Yeah, wala na. So you teach them the proper way of basketball, like Coach Renan said. Black and white to, yung totoong basketball. No, iaano mo yung lahat, then iaano mo ngayon yung vision ng totoong basketball in the future. If this is what you're doing,
Yes.
the right thing always. No, so yan. Ito, when it comes to LA game, ito, we all know, yung
They always play the
future
right way.
ng Gilas Youth natin is gonna be in a good hand.
Yeah.
Okay, but not only that, na-mention...
Talaga? Nakakagulat naman? Hindi nga.
Coach!
Wala pa ba?
Ito yung sasabihin ko,
Okay.
For LA Tenorio, kung hindi daw si
Sino?
ay si Jimmy Alapag. What if, no? What if si Jimmy Alapag
Hindi po
na at
pwede.
LA Tenorio?
Hindi po pwede.
Kamusta yung chemistry?
Bakit? Ba't
Hindi
di
po
pwede?
pwede.
Bakit?
Nasa NBA si
Nasa
Jimmy.
NBA.
Hindi naman
What
mga
if
totohanan.
Pero, knowing Jimmy, if LA reach out to Jimmy, Jimmy will help.
Jimmy will help.
100%.
Automatic to.
Yes.
He
Not
will help.
physically
Jimmy
there,
will
no?
help.
Pero hindi mo lang priorities natin. Yung totoo, doon tayo sa totoong buhay. Doon tayo sa totoong buhay. And we all know, kahit bayaran mo ng milyon-milyon si Jimmy, doon ka na sa NBA, pupunta ka pa ng Pilipinas, kalokohan yata yun. Diba? Wala tayong kalokohan yun. Kalokohan yun. So doon ka sa, wala pa nakaka-achieve na naglaro ng PBA tapos magko-coach ng NBA, yung pwede. So doon tayo sa totoo. Pero we all know,
Tutulong yan.
Yes.
yung
Tutulong
puso
yan.
niya, Pilipino yan si
Yes.
Jimmy Boy.
Tutulong.
And isang text mo lang yan.
Yes.
Magkaano ka ganyan. Baka pag-break ng NBA, baka nandito yan.
Yan, 100%. He'll help.
Okay, to wrap up this conversation, ano naman, as coaches, ano ang tip niyo for LA and game?
Well, good
Turo
luck.
mo mag-reverse!
Well, ako, good luck. Kasi I'm very excited to see them coach. I haven't seen them coach in the lower, like high school or club teams. I'm very excited to see them. Yeah, kung kailangan nyo ng shooting coach, I'm just here.
Yeah. Yan nga rin. Hindi, lahat naman tayo totoo. Kung
Diba?
ano yung may tutulong. Lahat ng
Yes.
mga players yan, malamang, nasa likod na yan. So kung ano yung pwede namin itulong, kahit tagakain lang, may mga sobrang pagkain ka.
Parang dagdag gastos yun.
Hindi, sobrang malaki magpakain malakas magpakain yung natin gilas eh.
Hey, yeah.
But andito tayo to support
to
team.
support. Yeah,
No,
we're
kung ano
also-
man to. If you need someone
Actually,
to
I
talk to.
told Gabe already, if they need help, I'm just here.
Yeah.
Kasi our group of friends, very close then. So, yeah.
So yun yung ano. So good luck. Good luck.
Yeah,
Accelerate.
good luck.
Good luck Osa. Alam namin na maganda yung magiging future ng Gilas Youth natin. Make sure lang is kung ano yung nilalaro mo, yun yung ituro mo dyan. Huwag ka makikinig sa iba.
Exactly.
Okay,
And ready
okay.
for the bashing. Okay?
Of course.
Just coach, just guide them.
Eto.
Ready for the bashing, guys.
Uy, huwag niyong iba si LA. Tandaan nyo, galing sa sakit yan. Yung mga hindi marunong mag-basketball, huwag magbabash, please lang. Ha? Yung mga hindi marunong makaintindi ng totoong basketball, tumigil-tigil kayo sa pagbabash. Umalak na lang kayo o umiyak kayo pagtalo.
Yan. Support lang. Support
No,
tayo.
support lang kayo. So yan yung diferensya natin sa ibang bansa.
Ayan.
Yung lahat tayo, pag kung hindi nyo alam nangyari,
Coach na kayo.
coach na kagad kayo. Yung sa ibang bansa, kahit anong mangyari, nakasuporta kayo sa sarap ng feeling.
Yan. Manalo matalo.
So doon
support.
tayo lahat, doon
Yes.
lang tayo. May mali yan o no, sabihin nyo lang yung mali. Huwag nyo ida-down yung player.
Yeah.
Huwag nyo ida-down
Yes.
yung coaches. Huwag nyo
Totoo.
ida-down yung system. Yung programa. Kung ano yung pwede natin maitulong to lift up
Yan.
whoever, whatever, please do so. Pero tigil-tigilan nyo. Baka magkasakit na naman yung kosa ko. No? Baka magkasakit yung kosa ko. Totoo, nakaka-stress ha.
Yeah.
Ano, kasi
Yung stress.
the reality of our job is like, di ba sa sports, pag nananalo tayo, ang daming
Masaya, ang dami.
masaya. Pero pag natatalo, parang, nasaan na kayo?
Yeah.
Ayun nga eh.
Nasaan na kayo, di ba? Parang,
So, Kosa, magtanggal ka ng social media mo. Totoo, yun ang yun ang magiging difference.
Support
And
lang tayo.
we all know, ang daming coaches sa Pilipinas.
pag nakapanood ka ng basketball, alam mo, coach ka na eh.
Akala mo marunong na, hindi nga marunong lumayap eh.
Okay, now it's time for our SPN Expert Picks.
Yan. Magkaibang
Hindi na
kami.
nagkakatalo.
Oo. Yan na.
Opposite.
Alam mo kung bakit galit siya eh. Galit siya eh. Yung laro kanina iniintindi niya nung nagano siya. Pagkatapos na ng laro, doon na nagano eh.
Hindi.
Totoo, nakikinig ako. Natumitingin ako. Mainit pa yata ulo ni Bumbak.
Hindi.
Naghiwalay kami ng desisyon ah.
I love OKC. I love them.
Okay.
I love how they play the game. So it's very entertaining. Ako naman as a fan, I love watching them play. OKC. So here, OKC Boston, I'm OKC there.
Yeah, ako lang just because of Boston is yung kumpiyansa na from being a champion. Kaya I pick Boston naman.
Boston. And for the second game naman, Phoenix versus Houston.
Phoenix,
Yup.
Willie.
Phoenix ako.
Coach Willie. Ako Houston ako. It's mostly because of Jalen Green. Filipino,
Yeah.
di ba, na nasa NBA. Yeah, technically, he has Filipino blood. So, yeah, I go for Houston.
Kabila lang ako. Para lang makakabila.
Siya yung nauna nag-send eh.
Kabila. Si Devin Booker.
Devin Booker.
Alam how Devin Booker plays.
And lastly, Minnesota versus Denver.
Yeah, Minnesota ako. Minnesota.
Ang ganda ng kartada ng Minnesota. 5-0 last 5 games.
Just because their last 5
Parang,
games.
parang ako lang, nung kalaban namin kanina, hindi tumatama ng 3 points last 5 games. Sa amin tumama.
Kita mo, may hugot, di ba? May hugot pa rin, masama pa rin yung loob niya eh. Yan yung ano. So, Minnesota ako. Just because, parating feel good eh. Doon ako sa momentum parati.
Okay. Ako Denver. Yeah, I go for Denver.
So, maghiwalay kami ni Bulwak.
Yan.
Okay, once again, for SPN Expert Picks, kay Coach Renren, Oklahoma, Houston, and Denver, while
Yes.
for Coach Willie, Boston, Phoenix, and Minnesota.
Yep.
Okay, now it's time for our comments. So now, Joker is a different animal. Masarap kakampi. Bubuhatin ka na, i-push ka pa niya, tapos walang kainggit-inggit sa katawan.
Yan,
That's true.
masarap yan.
Dropping dimes, Events Manila. Oh, solid. Yeah, that's solid. Parang 100% na kilala si Joker dito. Actually, kahit ako maglaro dun, score ako ng 10 points dun eh.
Sa kanya,
Kasama ko si Jokic.
Malamang, papunta yung bola sa kamay mo.
Di ba?
Papunta yung bola sa kamay mo.
Malilibre ako magkasama ko sa loob.
Kumat ka lang, gano'n na ng gano'n yan yun. Ang galing pumasa. Nakikita ko dito parang
diba?
Sino yung may tatay sa ano sa Indiana dati na matangkad?
Si Sabonis.
Sabonis, ganun.
Magaling yun.
Magaling
Late na
Sabonis.
lang siya napunta sa NBA eh.
Diba? So, yan yung ano, pero ganyan yung style niya.
Yan, para siyang yung hybrid ni Sabonis.
no?
Alright, and for our next comment, malaking bagay na wala si Jason for TNT. Kaya hinebra ko dito kahit panalo si Chot kay Tin sa last 2 finals meeting nila.
Yeah, so yun yung factor nga na medyo
Mabigat talaga.
mabigat para sa token text. Pero we still know na andyan na si Stingray.
Si Stingray.
Stingray, no? So may mga
Gagawa na
guards din
ng paraan.
So magagawa ng paraan. And last final, si Stingray nagdala. No, so maganda to, maganda laro to.
And for our third comment, Jokic got the skills and the attitude. Yes.
Ano tong attitude? Bad or good ba to?
Good attitude.
Good attitude.
Good attitude. Dito to, yung unselfishness niya.
Yeah.
And he's happy when he's passing the ball.
Actually, his skills is so basic. Diba?
Wala na, oo.
Basic na basic eh.
Pag
Parang
open
may
ka,
open
papasa
bigay.
ka. Pag hindi, titira.
Pag
Pag
hindi-
wala, hand off lang, tapos roll. Create.
Pag mintes, kuha na
Rebound.
rebound. It's so basic though, nothing
You
flashy.
master
Wala
the
eh.
basics.
You just have to like learn how to appreciate it because ilang taon na ba siya? 30.
30.
Kailan to dinraft? Ang tagal na
Tagal
nito
na,
eh.
diba?
Kailan lang siya nakita na ganyan? Di ba parang before, ganun na pala siya maglaro dati pa pero di natin
nakikita. Oo.
Okay, our next comment. X factors for PBA finals are Malonzo, for Ginebra, and Ray ng Bata. For
Yeah.
TNT.
Mabigat yung Malonzo.
Malonzo. Pero ngayon pa, si Ray ng Batak is...
He has to
I
be
don't know if he's
consistent.
Consistent.
I think he's gonna start now.
I think kailangan niya maging consistent pero medyo mabigat-bigat yung matchup niya eh.
Hirap nito. Si RJ.
RJ eh, medyo...
No, pero we all know si...
Mahirapan din si RJ sa kanya.
si
Kasi
Coach-
malaki to eh.
Malaki to. So,
Kasi laki mo ba? Mas laki ko.
malaki. Mas malaki. 6'1 yata to. No, so... Ang magiging X-factor to nga si Malonzo naman ang...
Malonzo, yeah. He's playing well.
Mahilig naman si Coach Team sa mga 6-man parate. So yung mga magic bunots. Yan yung ano. So, parehong veteran team, veteran coach eh.
Oo,
No,
tama.
So,
Tsaka Malonzo is hungry. Medyo matagal dyan na sideline, right? So, coming off an injury and the issues. Ngayon,
anong issue yan?
I mean, he's going, bumabalik siya sa dati niyang shape.
Oo.
Alright.
May issue yan.
Well, thank you so much, Dave, Flores,
Wala ka
for your
sinasabi.
comment.
Alam mo ba yung issue na yun?
Bakit may issue ba siya?
Ano ba yung issue? Ikaw nagsabi.
Ayun nga eh. Ayun nga eh.
Alam mo, wala akong idea. Related ba sila?
Okay. Anyway, moving to our last comment for tonight.
Justin Ray.
For me, Nikola Jokic is the modern-day Tim Duncan when it comes to being a humble player and let their game speak for itself on who they are, both MVP and franchise caliber
True.
player.
Galing, totoo.
True. Pero ano ako medyo Jokic ako dyan pag Team Duncan. But Team Duncan is a classic. Pero kasi Jokic is different talaga It's one of one Team Duncan also is like that. Pero Jokic,
Ang kay team
Iba
naman
eh.
kasi, what makes him different is yung team nila.
team
at saka
nila,
yung sistema.
lakas talaga oo.
So, na-mold yun dun sa team na ando dun si Tony Parker, andun sa yung buong buo na. No, nandun dun siya yung nakabuo. Ito, kahit wala kayo, gagawa ng ganyan yun. No, so yan yung ito yung
Siya talaga
one-on-one
yung
din.
franchise, ultimate
Ito na
franchise
talaga, no? So and well, no, he gained his experience already.
Pag gagawa ka ng team, si Jokic ang uunahin mo
Oo.
Jokic muna, tapos build around him.
Diba? Kung kay Duncan at saka kay baka piliin ka Duncan or
Jokic.
Ngayon yung ngayon
Oo. Kahit prime Duncan, prime
Oo,
Jokic.
Jokic ako.
Yeah.
Jokic ako. Ngayon, papiliin ka naman ng team. Team ni Jokic o team ni Duncan?
Ayun lang.
Dito ako sa Spurs. Spurs ako eh.
Iba naman kasi yung Spurs
Iba to.
Grabe
Kay
naman
Coach
yung Spurs.
Popovich, anak ng plastic na yan. Grabe yung team, di ba? Grabe yung sistema.
And the way they built the team also.
Ganon
talagang
kagaling
Oo.
si Greggy.
Oo.
Yan! Thank you, Justin Ray
Thank you,
Mendaros.
Justin, for your comment. And of course, thank you to everyone for tuning in for tonight's episode. And thank you guys for, accompanying me for this conversation. No? And sports fans, if you're ready to elevate your sports experience, dive into the world of live sports like never before with Sports Plus. So, to be updated, kindly follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at sportsplus.ph. So, thank you guys again for tuning in. Once again, I'm Kyla Cortez with Renner Nitualo and Willie Miller.
Night!
There's a bunch of different things that just like put it all together. Everything has like a different meaning.